How to type bold text on LinkedIn post. For that, first of all, open any browser, then on the search bar, search for LinkedIn and make sure that you have logged into your account. Now simply tap on the start a post option and type your post. Once you type it, simply select the word that you want to bold. After selecting the word, type Ctrl B on your keyboard and press enter, then you are good to go. In this way, you can easily have bold text on LinkedIn post. You just have to select the particular word and type Ctrl B on your keyboard. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.